inflatable pool full of dad's hot air. Well, I was 3 years old, splashing everywhere, and so began my love affair with water. On the riverbank with all my friends, a big old rope tied to land, and you're a big old wuss if you don't jump in the water. Yeah, when that summer sun starts to beat down and you don't know what to do, grab your swimming trunks, ice up that old igloo, and drive until the map turns blue. Daytona Beach on spring break, 18 girls up on stage, white t-shirts about to be sprayed with water.